Right now, your learner hat, all right? I want you to put on teacher hat for a moment and recognize that this is an orienting question across the unit.
One of the things that the Office of Science Teaching Activities does is to provide professional development workshops for working teachers.
This is great thinking. I want you to continue to wonder.
Here this summer, right now, we have teachers from kindergarten all the way through 12th grade.
All right, so balloon number 1 we'll do hot because you want to do the hot water first.
And we're thinking more deeply about how to teach science organized around the way that students learn best.
Do you want the hot water to have the salt in it, or do you want the cold water to have the salt?
Being more aware of the words that you're using that may have been your style, and being able to go into someone else's style is important. And so you have to learn that. It's not something that you just automatically are like, wait, let me think like you for a second. So these workshops and professional development really help you think unlike what you grew up with.
So I think coming to a training like this, it really opens your eyes and gives you a new outlook on we need to actually get students to be thinking about their own type of learning and critically thinking about how they can apply these things in real life, because when they move on from high school, that they need to know that they can apply it to real life applications and things like that. I think it's very valuable. It's a great refresher to really get me to remember, oh, this is why I do what I do.